We're here in New York City. It's Fashion Week. There's a couple friends of mine here. We're gonna see who can put the pedal to the metal. So who's gonna be quick today? Joan Smalls. She's anything like she is on the road as she is on the dance floor. I think she may take the title. Candace is no slowpoke herself. And A-Rod, I mean, that guy's a born competitor.
Fun car, right?
Yeah.
Kia Stinger is sexy.
Y'all ain't really ready for this. Go. Put all the way down. Put all the way down.
I cannot believe a Kia goes that fast. You step on it, it just goes. I think I'm hooked.
My whole thing was going fast today, and I did it.
My first run wasn't so good, but the second one I made up for it. I hit the gas and I won.
We're on a much different kind of runway than I'm used to.